Alrighty folks, check this bad boy out. This had just fallen. Oh wow, look at the storage nuts for the squirrel. All those walnuts, or not walnuts, what'd that be? Big old nuts. Either way, sumac. Pretty old school. This just came down from the hill up here within the last week or so. So the hills are still pretty active with falling rocks here in western New York. So definitely be careful of some of those side roads because you never know what's coming down. But it's been a while since anybody's seen any of this. And you never know what you'll see. Lots of fossils, I'm sure. Come back after the rain cleans it up a little bit. But a lot of cool stuff. I don't know all the fancy names, but I'm sure there's quite a few of you who do. Well, it looks like a storage hole right there. Some squirrel lost his nuts. So very, very cool. All right. Hope you enjoyed the adventures of falling rocks.